Everyone, this is Dora from Wuxi Longterm Machinery Technologies Limited Company. Right now, we are in Lyon, France, to attend the European Liquid Gas Congress. Our booth number is G6. Welcome to visit us. Manufacturer for LPG gas cylinder production line with more than 35 years experience. Till now, our machines have been exported to many countries, including the US, Vietnam, Philippines, Kenya, Ghana, Tanzania, and so on, over 40 countries. We helped over 30 customers to set up the LPG cylinder production line in their country. We are providing the Turkey project from the beginning to the end. All of them are very satisfied with our machine quality and also our after-sales service. You can see here is our fully automatic welding line for LPG gas cylinder. The capacity is 2,000 pieces per 8 hours, which from trimming to budding welding only need 4 workers to operate the whole line. All transportation work will be finished by the robot arm and the conveyor. If your country labor cost is very cheap, we also have the semi-automatic option. Maybe you are producing LPG gas cylinder now and need to update some machineries to increase your output. We can customize according to your requirement to provide the separate machine, including the shot blasting machine, powder coating line, welding machineries. We can customize according to your requirement. We can provide the raw materials for your LPG cylinder production, which including the steel shots, valves, welding wires, zinc wires, valve bonds, powders. You can send us your inquiry and we will give you our competitive price for your comparison.